Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your chatbot or agent with WhatsApp. First, select the agent. After that, click on deploy agent. There are two options for WhatsApp. One is official Meta Cloud and the other is Dialog 360. We do official Meta Cloud. So we will open Facebook developer. I have already logged in. If you are not logged in, then you will log in and complete the verification steps. Then we will create app. Click on create app button. Enter app details such as app name and contact email. In use cases, select other and click next. Select business as app type and click next. Then review the details and click create app here. You will get a WhatsApp option in products. We will set up WhatsApp. Here, select business portfolio. If you don't have, you can create it. Click continue, click start using API. Here we will generate access token. Access token is generate, copy it. You will have to add a phone number here. After adding the phone number, copy the phone ID and WhatsApp it and go back to Agentic. Here you will paste the token. Here you will paste the phone number, phone ID and WhatsApp ID . Then you need app ID and secret. For that, you will go to app settings and click basic. You will get app ID, copy it, paste it in app ID field. And this is app secret, copy and paste it in app secret field. Click on next. Copy callback URL from here and go to WhatsApp configurations, paste callback URL, come back and copy token and paste it here. Then click on verify and save button. Now go back to Agentic and click complete integration. Your WhatsApp is connected successfully. See you in the next video. That's it. Thanks for watching.